How to fix can't play video codec not supported problem. Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to fix unsupported video codec errors and play videos easily, step by step. If this helps you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. First, restart your phone and try playing the video again to rule out temporary glitches. If the issue continues, just make sure the Gallery app on your phone has all the required permissions allowed. To check, first, find your Gallery app on your device. Next, long press on the Gallery icon and tap on App Info. From there, just for good measures, clear the cache off of the application. Now, tap on App Permissions. Make sure that Photos and Videos permission is turned on. If you still want another option, download another video player, like VLC Media Player on your device. Since VLC supports most of the video codecs, there should be no issue in playing the video. And that's it. That's how you can fix the video codec not supported problem and play videos smoothly again.